Hey, we're here today to build the perfect childhood snowman. Starting out with a giant snowball, then we're gonna put 2 other tiers on top. The ratio is super important. So we're gonna layer the first one, round it off, and then put the second one on at a 25%, I don't know, what's the word? 25% smaller. This is the biggest snowman I've ever built. Yeah, pack it on. We've got 2 hours. Weather's changing, rain's coming in, so we gotta be quick. We put a stick all the way down as far into the, like almost into the ground. Yeah, we're on the step 2. We're gonna have the next snowball put in place and then shape the head after. The heavier you get this initial snowball, the bigger you can get, the faster you can build your snow thing, because the weight compresses the snow underneath. Now this one we gotta cut in 4s so we can actually get it up on top. John, how are you so strong? I'm so winded. Okay, ready? Yeah. I don't think we need any more. Now we're gonna have to cut it in 4s. We're gonna cut this into 4 sections, lift it up, and that's the body of the snowman. Like all flushed. Felt like I was gonna pass out. Now I'm like, into 4. Well, yeah, 4. Because I'm weak.
Yeah,
Remember, we used to try to lift snowballs like this up it.
right.
I don't know why we did that. Ready for the B-roll? Okay. Okay. We got it. You go ahead and set your side up. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, lift! This is way bigger than I thought. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. We might have bit off more than we could chew with this one. It's pretty big. Okay, I'll hold it. You just stuff some snow in there. This is way bigger than I thought. But as we carve it down, shape it, it might get a little smaller. That's That's not the head, that's part of the body.
got that little off.
bite off more than you can chew. I'm gonna try to lower this load. Feel it wobbling.
Alright.
So, we kind of got to move quite a bit anyway, so. Yeah. Hey, that's a perfect size.
Cool.
Oh, it's a little too big.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we didn't start chopping it
Yeah.
down yet.
It's close. That's true. This is the biggest one. I don't think we have enough time. Get that side looking perfect, and then we can after if we have time. You can feel the rain, and we're at a time crunch now. It's not going to be as perfect as we thought, but close enough. Oh. Face. We need a hat. I don't want it sticking up. It looks like it's probably 10 foot tall. And then so the rain moved in and we gotta call it quits. But here's our snowman. It's not perfect. It took 2 hours, but
Thanks for watching. Here's a few previous builds. Like, comment, and subscribe.